Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. As you can see that the one finger gesture is left edge swipe. So if I disable this, the problem will basically resolve immediately. Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSG Tech. In today's video, let me show you the problem first. When you scroll your finger from left side towards the right side, you see this pop-up window, which means that your background tasks, they will appear on top of the actual window. So basically, let's say I'm just moving my mouse or the mouse pointer to one point and I want to open something else, and by mistake if I swipe my finger from the left side of the palm or the touchpad towards right, this window will appear. It can be very annoying, and it can also drive you crazy when you are working and you don't know how to fix this. So in today's quick video, I will explain how you can sort this issue. First thing is you need to do is look for any pending updates into your settings page, and as you can see that I'm trying to move the page, and all of a sudden when fingers are swapped. So this is basically a gesture control action or gesture based action which is designed by Windows 10 on different machines. So the first thing you need to do is update your pending updates, download those softwares which are pending, and that will hopefully fix. Second thing is you can go into the search area, type device manager. When you type on device manager, you will see the device manager page, and here we have to look for mice and other pointing devices. Dell touchpad, update driver, then after that follow the instructions, search for the updated drivers on Windows Update. That's fine. If that doesn't work, then right click on this page and uninstall the device, and then restart your PC, and then after that update the device again from the same page. If that doesn't help, then we have a definite solution here. On right hand side, as you can see on this part of the screen, show hidden menu, then look for the Dell touchpad, or if you have HP or any other machine, look for the touchpad properties. Click on touchpad properties, then you will be landing on this page, which is a pointing devices page, and here we have couple of tabs on the left side. Different machines will have different sort of interface, but almost identical, and you have to go for gesture. And as you can see on the gestures page, let me zoom this out for you. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. As you can see that the one finger gesture is left edge swipe. So if I disable this, the problem will basically resolve immediately. So let's try that again. If I move my finger on the pointer from left side towards the right side, however, whatever the speed is, it will not open the windows from the background and bring those tasks in front of me. So as soon as I enable this option and click on save, as you can see, so this basically interrupts your day-to-day working, and it can be very annoying, but it's very simple. All you need to do is click on this option, left edge swipe, and if you want, you can also click on the right edge swipe as well in order to disable the right one as well. But we are only annoyed by the left one, because majority of the users, they are using from left towards the right. So this is how you can fix this problem. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any comments or feedback, do let us know in the comment section below, and take good care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.